Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete an address on Ulta Beauty app. We will also include a link in the description below for our favorite Ulta Beauty products. To start, open the Ulta Beauty app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see a sign in button at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Sign In. On the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, tap on Sign In. On the lower part of the screen, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Account. Under your account, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Addresses. Here you will see the list of all your saved addresses. Tap on the address you wish to remove. At the lower part of your screen, you will see a button that says Delete Address. Tap on the button that says Delete Address. A pop-up text will appear asking if you want to continue deleting the address. To continue, tap on Delete. That's how to delete an address on your Ulta Beauty app. Also, check out our favorite Ulta Beauty products in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.